Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Julia and this is a simple explanation of not simple things at all, and of course we're talking about crypto. So today we're going to be talking about this crazy crypto market situation and what am I buying during this crypto market crash. And maybe this is the best market opportunity has come. Let's see. So guys, stay with me, sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Once again guys, thank you for joining my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I want my channel to grow more so more people can understand about crypto better. Hit that notification bell in order not to miss my videos. Don't forget to like and comment this video and follow me on Twitter and Instagram where I got verified so you can see more live content. I'll appreciate your support so much guys. So let's come back to our topic. Guys, and the main question, are we in a bear market? Anyway, investors should stay calm. Over the last 7 days, total market cap losses amount to $570 billion or minus 33%. And with markets spooked, there always threat of more panic selling as investors look to minimize their losses. Over the last week, every top 100 tokens, excluding stablecoins, has suffered double-digit losses.
Where's my money?
Also, Tron has fared the best, nursing just 12% losses over the last 7 days. Also, Steppen, Phantom and Gala were hit hardest, losing 79%, 69% and 60% in value. As painful as they are, bear markets are survivable because bear markets have come and gone plenty of times over the years, so there is a playbook for them. And on the other side, there's another bull market guys. So let's go on CoinMarketCap and see the situation ourselves. So guys, let's look. The global market cap is $1.27 trillion, which is 0.02% increase over the last day. So it's good sign we're not in red zone. So it's good sign at least we're a little bit above the previous level. So let's go to the list of cryptocurrencies and we can see that Bitcoin sitting at the price of $29,000. Ethereum maintains $2,000, and even Tether is not $1 anymore, but it's not as bad as with Terra. If you look at 7 days percentage, you can see that everything is down by almost 30%. But if you will look at the 24 hours percent, you can see that some coins are recovering. Anyway, yesterday's situation was even better than today because everything was green, and now I think we're going through correction. So let's look at the Cosmos price, for example, plus 9% in 24 hours. Cardano is minus 2%, but just yesterday Cardano made 35% just in a day. So I'm going to tell you that almost all of these coins which you can see on CoinMarketCap, which takes top 100 coins here, they made almost from 5 to 40% in profit just in previous 48 hours. So now if you see this minus 1%, minus 2%, is completely fine. So for example, if we go to Cardano and we will see the price is minus 2%, it means that Cardano made 33% in the previous 48 hours. So it's just minus 2% of 35% it made. And let's go through some coins and I'm going to explain you why you should buy exactly these coins at exactly this price. So for example, Solana, I think this is just must have for you. I remember I bought my Solana first time at the price of $35, and when Solana hit its all-time high, I made a lot of profit. And now we're so close to that price when I bought Solana at first. So of course I bought Solana more at the price of $48 or less. I don't remember exactly. So now price is $53, and we know that Solana is really good investment in a long-term position. So anyway, it's great to buy a little bit more Solana. So don't forget also Solana is a huge blockchain, and you can buy even NFTs on OpenSea and on Solana blockchain. So I think it's really great to buy more Solana right now, especially when you can pay it for NFTs.
got you, homie.
And the same situation with Ethereum. We know that Ethereum is top 2, so it's really delicious price right now of Ethereum. But maybe I will wait a little bit more to buy Ethereum. Anyway, my perfect plan is how you buy altcoins, not which altcoins you're buying.
I have a plan.
What sort of plan?
A plan that cannot possibly fail.
So you know this situation with crypto market crash right now, and it's so volatile, and you can't know exact timing when it's best to buy certain coins. So my plan is, for example, I have $2,000 for buying certain altcoins, and I'm not spending this $2,000 on certain altcoins straight away. My plan is buy little by little. So for example, I want to buy $2,000 of Ethereum, and I have only $2,000 to buy it now, and I'm not buying it straight away just because I have this money, just because I see price of Ethereum right now. It's best to divide this $2,000 little by little and buy a little bit. For example, just buy $200 of Ethereum and see where market will go. So if market will go down, if price of Ethereum will go down, it's perfect because now you can buy more. So now you can buy extra 200 and you have 400 in total, and you bought this 200 and 200 with extremely different price. And even if Ethereum will go to 1,500, you won't be so sad that you bought Ethereum on $2,000 on all your money, right? So you divide your purchasing. This is best because with this market situation, you don't know where it will go. It might grow up or it will go down even more. So I think it's best decision. So anyway, it's best time to create your portfolio. And what I would do, I would buy Bitcoin, of course, I would buy Ethereum, and I would buy Solana. Let's go to Polkadot and look at the price changing of Polkadot. And we see that the highest level of Polkadot was $52. And now we're sitting at $10. Of course, I think maybe Polkadot going to repeat all-time high and go even higher. So I think Polkadot is really good investment for you. The same as with Polygon, it's really good opportunity to buy Polygon right now with the delicious price. And I bought some Kronos, and of course I bought some Kronos. I wanted to buy Kronos for a long time, but price wasn't so good. And now I use this opportunity to buy more Kronos. And you can see this huge peak right here. And yes, if we will go back to this all-time high of Kronos, we're going to make a lot of money, right? I also bought a little bit more new protocol I already had, so I bought it with different price, cheaper than I had before, and I think new protocol is really good investment. Also, I already made video about FTX token and my investments few months ago, so now it's good opportunity to buy this token. A lot of these altcoins I have already in my portfolio, but I bought it with the price higher than now, so I kind of lost my money, but you never lose until you sell, right guys? So for me now, I'm just trying to buy more of these coins with the more delicious price. And of course I have Elrond, I have Internet Computer, which made me really good percentage recently. PancakeSwap is up by almost 5% and it's sitting at the price of $4. Stepan is down by 44% previous 7 days, and yeah, almost all of altcoins are down by 35%. So yeah, I bought more Cadena and I bought more Compound as well. Now technically I'm buying more coins I already have in my portfolio. And in this case, I'm moving average price of buying to lower price. So that's how I will make more profit from each of coin in general. So there are a lot of opportunity on crypto market right now, and I definitely recommend you to use this red color. So for the last moment, we're going to look at crypto bubbles, and we can see that Bitcoin is down by 11%, Ethereum is down by 17%. And I really like to use crypto bubbles because it's so easy to use and understand everything about crypto. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video was informative for you, and I'll see you in my next one.